Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the final TFLA0002 error. So let's get started. So to fix that, you have to follow this easy step. So basically, this app is occurred by the linked connection issues. So to fix that, you can fix your issue. Like you can, if you are using VPN, you can just turn off a VPN, check your service status, restart your router or your computer, reinstall the Finals app, contact the support, last option. So by this way you can do it, and it's a very easy step to fix that. Okay, and here if you see, you can just check the errors if you have any. Okay, there. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.